Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, alright, on with my Aries. Also, you guys know I have to say thank you for all the likes, shares, comments, subscriptions, donations. Like, I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I feel like sometimes I don't stress that enough. I love you guys. Okay, Aries. I'm not going to take these, but I'm curious to see. So, somebody needs to make the effort. Oh, Lord. Aries. Okay, this is somebody that you guys have been dealing with. Oh, this is interesting. Somebody's trying to come back. They're wanting to start over. Aries, what? Let's just Alright, Aries, let's see. Let's just see what comes out. Alright, Spirit, can you give me 3 cards for my Aries, please? What messages do you have for them? Aries, second half. I knew it. I'm telling y'all, somebody wants to talk to you guys. There's the heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly, discuss your feelings with each other. Somebody definitely wants to come in to make things right. So, Aries, I don't know if this is the person trying to control the situation and they're needing to let it go and just go with the flow, or if this is you because y'all are done. Y'all are tired, or maybe you're like, I wish this person would hurry the hell up. But, yeah, somebody needs to let go of control issues. Honestly, guys, I feel like this is the person that you guys could have been dealing with because somebody feels like this could be the one. So I feel like I'm picking up the other person's energy really strongly here. So somebody definitely messed up, Aries, and they're wanting to come in to make things right. Okay. That was straight to the point. Let's see. Alright, Aries, let's see. Alright. I know that was random, but whatever. So, bottom of the deck, I have the Ten of Swords. So, somebody's feeling like they got stabbed in the back is what I'm picking up here. Somebody could have been dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. If not, this is you guys basically upset about the way things have ended with whoever this is resonating for. And it's like you guys are no longer speaking your truth. You guys are no longer opening up to this person. I definitely feel like somebody's over here trying to manifest. Did not tell y'all. Okay, this is your ex, so this is somebody that you've definitely been dealing with, Aries. So this person is trying to manifest things into the life that you two share. Whether it's you two getting back together and or finances. It's just this person sees stability with you and they want to make things right. So now the thing is, there could have been somebody in the way in the past here, and I feel like this person is trying to clean up their act. They're trying to come in to give you what it is that you need, and they're ready to communicate this to you, because I definitely see communication coming in fast, whether it's via phone, text, social media. Yep. There's the Queen of Pentacles. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here? Okay, hold on one second. I want to see something. Yep. I felt like that was you guys. Okay, so somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But honestly, Aries, I feel like you guys are the Queen of Pentacles. You guys are just focusing on yourselves right now. You guys are very independent. You're healing from whatever took place. And this is telling me that somebody feels like they lost you. Or this could be, you know, you guys were really in your head once upon a time about the situation. But I feel like you guys are just letting it go. And because you're letting it go, it's like you're bringing balance into your life. But this person that you were dealing with, they know they messed up. And it's like they want to come back to fix this. They definitely want to balance things out. Somebody could have been dealing with the Sagittarius. I also have a Leo here. But whoever messed up, they just don't have the strength to deal with the situation. You guys could be dealing with another Aries, or Aries, maybe this is you feeling like you don't want to deal with this situation because it's like there's no balance here. This person kept showing you that there's no stability. I feel like this individual definitely that you guys were dealing with was very stubborn, and maybe they're letting, you know, their pride and their ego down to come towards you to give you what it is that you deserve, because somebody's definitely made a decision here. Somebody was feeling stuck in a situation, and it's like now I feel like they're freeing themselves and they're getting ready to speak their mind, but somebody's not using their intuition in this connection. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here, but if not, I feel like you guys had to walk away from a toxic situation. Because maybe the person that you were dealing with was very sneaky and you felt like they needed to clean it up if they really want to work things out with you. If y'all know, this could be vice versa. So this could be the person that you were dealing with. They were in some type of toxic situation and they had to clean it up. Like, they had to walk away and get themselves together in order to come back to give you the offer that you deserve. Because this person wants to start over. This person wants to build something new with you, Aries. So, yeah, look at that. There's an offer. There's an offer, but somebody is sad. The person that messed up, they're really sad right now because of the way things played out. You could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Because see what I'm saying? Like, this person here, they want to offer you, it came a little down for me. So it's like, they want to offer you commitment, but they're scared that you don't want it anymore. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Taurus. There was a breakup here. See what I'm saying? Look at this. 2 people. Somebody definitely was juggling between 2 people. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. If some of you guys were in a commitment or a marriage, this person is thinking that, you know, you don't want to deal with them anymore. Somebody's thinking that maybe someone wants to, you know, go through a divorce because of some type of third-party situation. I definitely feel like the person that you guys were dealing with, they're dragging their feet, though, to come back. This person was a player. Yeah, this person is scared that you don't want to move forward with them anymore. Could be dealing with a Cancer. See what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, there was some type of third party here. And it broke your heart. Alright, so I feel like somebody's coming out of being frustrated. This is the person that messed up. This person is like trying to clean it up, get it together, because now they're wanting to come back to put in the work to win your heart back. Tell me more, please. See? Yeah, this person is making plans. This person wants a new opportunity with you, Aries. They definitely want things to improve between the 2 of you. Tell me more. Back and forth about the Page of Cups. So, it's like this person, I feel like they've been reflecting. This person has definitely been thinking a lot, and it's like they're realizing that they were behaving really immaturely. Some of you guys could have been dealing with somebody that was younger than you, but I definitely feel like this person is going to come back to give you this offer. See? But I feel like I'm picking up a lot. So listen, this could be a situation to where this person is going to come back to give you the offer after they walk away from this third-party situation that they put themselves in. Or this could be a situation to where they want to give you the offer because you could have walked away from them. It's like you had to completely disconnect. Yeah, see, this is you. You guys had to completely disconnect from this person for them to, like, wake up to see what they had. It's like, it's gone. Somebody could be dealing with another Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I definitely just feel like you guys are just basically staying positive. I'm telling you, you're working on yourselves. You're not worried about it. See what I'm saying? Like, it's like you're coming out of being frustrated. You're not worried. But I feel like this person wants to come back to give you this offer, but they are scared that you're going to reject them. They're scared. You feel like dealing with them, you're not going to get the offer that you deserve, and you're not confident about the situation, but whoever messed up, they're going to come back to give you an apology. But they're scared that because they cause a lot of drama, that things aren't going to turn around and work out in their favor. See? Yeah, there was a breakup between the 2 of you. They feel like you guys are done. Okay. So it's like 1 minute they want to rush in really fast to say something to you, but the next minute they're taking their time, the way the Knight of Swords just came out. And it's like, I feel like this person sometimes has a hard time, like, opening up. So when they do speak their truth, it can come out really harsh. Or it could just be saying that they're scared you're going to come off really harsh towards them. But this person loves you. You know, they really want to make things right. See? They want to balance things out. But they're scared that things may not improve between the 2 of you because of some type of third-party situation. Tell me more. Yeah, see, I'm telling you, somebody got stabbed in the back. Somebody definitely got stabbed in the back. And it's like this person wants to take a leap towards you, but at the same time, they're not, because they really feel like you're not going to accept this offer. They don't want to argue with you anymore. It's like they definitely don't want conflict, but they can't stop thinking about what they did to you in the past. You can't stop thinking about what they did to you in the past, like if they were to come back to give you this offer. But I feel like this person wants a future with you. But somebody's isolating themselves. So Aries, it's either you or this other person. Somebody's definitely isolating themselves because it's like, what do I do? Whoever messed up, I feel like they learned their lesson, and now they're ready to move forward with you. They're ready to come in correct. Tell me more. But see, yeah, it's this person that messed up because they feel like everything that you guys have built, you put in the work. It's like, they feel like it's not going to go anywhere. They know that they left you out in the cold, and now it's like they're hoping that you can forgive them. I just feel like, again, you guys aren't focused on it. It's like you guys are working on yourselves. But somebody needs to make a decision because they're stuck. It's the person, whoever messed up. This person is feeling stuck because they don't know what to do. They don't know what to say to you. 1 minute they want to rush in to tell you what it is that they want, but the next minute they're not. They're holding back. This person that you were dealing with, they could have definitely been being a player in the past. I mean, I kept seeing third party. And that's why they had that in and out energy, and they know if they come back, it's got to stop. They can't do that. Yeah, see, this person wants a happy home with you, and they want to tell you that, but they're keeping it to themselves because they're scared that you don't want a new beginning with them. Y'all done missed all the little zodiac signs. Why y'all ain't tell me? Okay, so there's a Gemini here. I'm in my zone. There's a Gemini, Virgo. Was I missing anyone else? Y'all, I'm sorry. I was like really in a zone, channeling this person. Whoever messed up, y'all, they got my attention, okay? Alright, if I missed anybody else, I'm sorry. I kind of want to look at this. Hold on. Okay, so listen. They're scared that you don't want a new beginning with them because they had other options in the past. They didn't know. I'm not going to say they didn't know who they want. They were playing games, okay? And so it's like when that truth came out, you guys dropped them. Dropped them like a bad habit, okay? You dropped them. You're like, I'm not tolerating this. Yeah, see, justice. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice for me. Somebody wants to basically give you the offer that you need, that you want, that you deserve. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But looking at this, I'm going to be honest with you. The person that messed up, they're trying to figure out if you still want to work things out with them. They're looking for the truth because they want to give you this offer of commitment. And see, it's like 1 minute, this person can't sleep. They're up every night thinking about this, like, why did I do this? Why did I do this to him? Why did I do this to her? But they're coming out of being frustrated about it because it looks like they made a decision. Yeah, see, look, they're going to come back and give you the truth that they want a new beginning. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces here. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at this, Aries. This person wants a victory with you. Ooh. Yeah, see, they had to let go of this third-party situation in order to go towards you to get this new beginning. But see, they're scared that, I'm telling you, you don't want it anymore. Look at that, yeah. They're not happy. They know you're not happy with them. They know that you're still disappointed in them. And so this is why you guys, either you're not speaking to this person or this person hasn't come back towards you to speak up their truth. Maybe some of you guys haven't heard back from this person just yet because they don't know what to do. It's like they feel stupid. They're scared. But this person definitely wants things to improve. So it's like they're definitely going through a transformation here because they know that what they were doing in the past, they can't do it anymore. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but see, I'm telling you, this person's going to come back to give you this offer. And it's a secure offer. They're really serious about it. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but it's like this person doesn't have hope anymore that you'll accept their offer, but at the same time, they don't want you to cut them off. Could be dealing with an air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Yeah, this person that you guys have been dealing with, they move extremely slow to do everything because it's like they definitely want to give you this message, but they're not. So this person, for a lot of you guys, they haven't spoken up to you, but they did make a decision. Somebody's frustrated. I feel like somebody's frustrated about their money. That also could be why they're not moving forward just yet. and they're moving really slow. Yeah, somebody doesn't have a peace of mind about their finances. And I also, for some of you guys, if there definitely was some type of third-party situation, I feel like this person hasn't 100% removed themselves from this third-party situation. This is why they're frustrated, because maybe there is some type of like money tied in with this person, but it's like they're not out of this commitment relation. Whatever was going on, it's like they haven't removed themselves just yet. See what I'm saying? I'm telling you, this person's in a codependent situation. And y'all know I have to say it every time, third party doesn't have to be another man or woman. It could be family members. It could be friends. It could be anything. But this person is codependent. They haven't removed themselves. And this is why you guys haven't heard from them. Or if you have been speaking to them a little bit, it's like they're not making the move that they should, because they have to remove themselves out of this energy. Yeah, see, this person is realizing that there's no balance. You guys feel like there's no balance. It's like, why do I keep putting myself through this? Or why am I going to keep waiting, or not so much waiting, but basically like, why am I doing this to myself? Like, I don't have time for this. There's some type of money tied in. I know that much. Yeah, see, this person, you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but I definitely feel like your guard is up. It's like if this person comes back, you want to hear them out, because a lot of you guys maybe feel like you didn't get the truth from them. You don't have the complete truth. But they're scared you're going to go off on them. Oh, well. But, yeah, it's like, you guys are basically trying your best just to not look back in the past. I just feel like you guys have been healing. This person here, whoever messed up, I feel like they did take some type of financial hit, and they're trying to get themselves out of it. Yeah, but it is taking them day by day to make a move. So they are getting strong, because I feel like they were confused. They were stuck in limbo. But they're making the steps to get out of whatever codependent situation that they're in order to come towards you. Yeah, I'm just staring at these cards. Interesting. Aries, Aries, Aries. Okay. Guys, I love you, okay? But yeah, I'm so proud of y'all. Like, just keep focusing on you. Keep focusing on you. Because this person is definitely wrapping up their karma. Like, they're going through that cycle and they're wrapping it up. So, let them finish working this out. Because they haven't removed themselves 100% just yet. So, yeah. Okay, Aries. Well, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys, leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. And yeah, I'll be talking to you soon, Aries. Love you guys. Bye. Love you guys. Bye. Love you guys. Bye. Love you guys. Bye. Love you guys.